Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Cloudflare DNS on your Windows 11 computer. So go on down to the Windows Start button right here, and then go to Settings and select this and open this up. Now we want to go to where it says Network and Internet. Go over here and then go down to where it says your Internet. So if you are connected with Wi-Fi, choose that option. If you're using the Ethernet cable, choose that option. So I'm connected with Wi-Fi. I'm going to choose Wi-Fi now. And then I want to go over to hardware property and select this option. Then go to where it says edit right here for IP settings or the DNS server assignment. And we want to go to this and then go to automatic to manual. And then turn on the IPv4. And for the preferred DNS, we want to type in 1.1.1.1. And then go to the alternate and type in 1.0.0.1. And then go to save and save it on your computer now. You can see it, it's going to be saved on here. And then you'll be connected with that new DNS server on your Windows 11 computer. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.